Hello students, let's continue the solving linear equations in one variable. Here 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 7 equal to 4. How to solve this type of equations? You can see the left hand side which is in the form of p by q, that is fractional form. Even right hand side also can be written in the form of p by q, that is fractional form, as 4 by 1. So both sides are in fractional form. If we get equation like this, we can solve this by cross multiplication method. So here hiding denominator 1, so we can do cross multiplication here. So let's multiply 3x plus 5 into 1. So we will get the same, is it? So 3x plus 5 into 1, 3x plus 5. Then 4 into 2x plus 7. 4 into, because this expression has two terms, so bracket is compulsory. Without bracket we should not write like this. This is wrong. If we write like this, 4 into 2x plus 7, this is wrong, because this multiplication is only for 2x, not for 7 when we write like this. So we have to write within the bracket. So 4 into 2x plus 7. See, now we received like this. Already we solved this type of equation. So first step, let's open this bracket. So LHS, no changes. 3x plus 5 equal to, now let's open this bracket. We are going to distribute the 4 to 2x as well to 7. Okay, 4 into 2x. 4 2s are 8 and x, 8x. 4 into 2x, 8x plus 4 into 7. 4 7s are 28. So now let's keep the variable term left hand side, constant terms right hand side. So left hand side variable term 3x and right hand side variable term 8x. That plus 8x, when you bring to left hand side, it becomes minus 8x. From right hand side to left hand side we are bringing by transposition. So it is becoming minus 8x. Then constant here plus 28, right hand side just 28, and this plus 5 is becoming minus 5. So now simplify the like terms. We will have minus 5x equal to 28 minus 5, 23, is it? So further we need to separate the variables. So this minus 5, between the variable x and minus 5 there is an operation multiplication, not subtraction. This minus for 5, minus 5 into x. So when we send this minus 5 to right hand side, it becomes under division. Is it 23 by minus 5? So further we can write minus 23 by 5. Is it? We can write finally minus 23 by 5. Let's see the next example. 3x by 2x minus 5 equal to 12 by 5. Here also you can see the left hand side which is in the form of p by q, that is fractional form. Right hand side also fractional form. So it's simple. What method we can apply? Cross multiplication. So 3x into 5. 3x into 5 directly we can multiply. 3x into 5, 5 3s are 15. 15 into x, 15x. So 15x. 15x equal to 15x equal to, then 12 into 2x minus 5. 12 into 2x minus 5. So 12 into 2x minus 5. So As usual, let's open this bracket. So left hand side no changes. 15x equal to, let's open this bracket by distribution method. 12 into 2, 24x, 24x, then plus into minus, 12 into 5, 60. Is it? 12 5s are 60. After opening the bracket, let's keep the variable term left hand side. So here the variable term 15x, left hand side we are not changing the position. So 15x, and this variable term plus 24x, when you bring from right hand side to left hand side, it is becoming minus 24x. Is it? By transposition. And now we brought the variable term left hand side. Let's keep the constant term right hand side. Right hand side there is a constant term minus 60 with sign minus 60, but no other no constant term left hand side. So that's all. Now let's simplify the x terms. Plus 15 minus 24, unlike subtract greater number sign, so we will have minus 9x. Is it? Minus 9x equal to minus 60. So now here as usual hiding operation, multiplication. So let's send this minus 9 to right hand side. So we will get x equal to, no changes, minus 60 remains same, and this minus 9, it is under multiplication along with x, and when you bring here it becomes under division. Is it? Here between minus 9 and x there is an operation multiplication. By transposition it is becoming under division. So cancel the minus, so we will get the answer x equal to 60 by 9. X equal to 60 by 9. Let's see one more example. 5 minus 7x by 2 into 1 plus x. 1 plus 2x equal to minus 8 by 7. So as usual you can see left hand side fractional form, p by q form, right hand side also. So when we have both side fractional form, we can apply cross multiplication method. So let's do like this. Okay, so now 5 minus 7x into 7. 5 minus 7x into 7, like that. So when we can write like this, is it? 7 into 5 minus 7x. Remember, when you multiply a constant with like this, that is with two terms, bracket is compulsory. Equal to, here this one, no, cross multiplication, we need to multiply. Here we need to be careful, minus 8 to be multiplied by this term, no, fully. So 2 into 1 plus 2x. So now here we can open the bracket. 7 5s are 35 minus plus into minus minus 7 7s are 49x. Is it? 7 into 7x. Then equal to, first let's open this bracket. Let's open this bracket, then we can open this one. So copy minus 8 and this bracket. Now we are opening this bracket first. 2 into 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 2 into 2x. 2 into 2x, 4x. 2 2s are 4, then x. Now we cannot change anything left hand side, copy as it is. Then now let's open this bracket. Plus into minus minus, that is minus into plus minus. 8 2s are 16, so minus 16, minus into plus minus 8 4s are 32x. So this sign very important when we solve like this. So now what can we do? We can keep the variable term left hand side constant term right hand side. So here variable term minus 49x, sign very important. Variable term minus 49x, so let me keep left hand side minus 49x. Then right hand side the variable term minus 32x. When you bring from right hand side to left hand side, it becomes plus 32x by transposition. Because here left hand side we are keeping as it is, we are not changing the position, we are not doing transposition. Left hand side variable term minus 49x, then from right hand side we are bringing to left hand side, so this minus 32x is becoming plus 32x. Okay, we brought the variable term left hand side, then constant term already, now right hand side only we are going to write already constant term right hand side minus 16, we are not changing the position, so copy as it is. Then here plus 35, is it, plus is hiding here, so plus 35, when you bring from left hand side to right hand side, it is becoming minus 35. So now we need to simplify this like terms. So take the numerical values, minus 49 plus 32, minus 49 plus 32, unlike subtract greater number sign. So when we do like that, we will get minus 17x, is it, minus 17x equal to, this one we simplified, minus 17x, because unlike subtract greater number sign, then here like, is it, both are negative, like, so add, so we will get minus 51, like, add, common sign, both are negative, so we will have negative solution only, so minus 51, is it, 16 plus 35, minus 16, minus 35, minus 51. So now as usual between this, what is the hiding operation, multiplication. So when we isolate the variable, right hand side remains same, minus 51 by, it is becoming under division, so cancel the negative sign, and 3 times, is it, 17 ones are 17, 3 times we can get this, so x value is 3. So like this we can solve the equation when we get the equation like fractional form, both sides. Both side if you get only in fractional form, we can apply this cross multiplication method.